Eric DIY viewers. Today we're reviewing the Yogi Prime Dog Car Seat Cover. It is fully adjustable. It's durable and stain resistant. It's made out of cotton. It's machine washable. It's water resistant, and it allows the seat belts to be still used if you ever needed to. The other thing about this dog car seat cover is that underneath it has a non-slip grip right here. It can be used for more than just dogs, obviously. It can be used to just put stuff in the back seat that you don't want messing with the back seat, messing it all up with trash and stuff. So the first step to installing is to put the harnesses around the headrest in the front. Then you have these pieces right here, which are your seat anchors. You just tuck them in so that way the seat stays in place. And you're going to do that on both sides. And then finally, you're just going to take these straps here, put them around the back headrests, and then that will securely hold the Yogi Prime Dog Car Seat Cover in place. So as you can see, we've attached the connection points on the headrests on both sides, and again we have the seat anchors underneath this thing right here in the seat so that stays flat. So my West Highland Terrier Daisy is in the back seat. Perfect dog car seat cover here, and as you notice, she fits perfectly inside of it. Another great aspect about the dog car cover is that over here she can't go to the front seats like she usually would do from the back seat if she's allowed to roam around. And if you notice near Daisy, it has these openings to put the seatbelt through so that you could actually use a dog harness to strap your dog in if you have one of those. So overall, it looks to be a great quality dog car cover. I look forward to using it. If you would like to purchase the Prime Yogi Dog Car Backseat Cover, please look at the link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all the support you give us. And as always, from Daisy and the rest of us here, have a wonderful afternoon. Thanks for watching. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.